15.
50.
50 managers.
50.
And the biggest problem with the place is what?
Verinda. She's been promoted. I watched her and she's